Welcome to User Phones module, the fifth module of the Far South Networks Business Partner Sales Training. In this module, we will review the different handsets which are available to users and their features. When considering the available desktop phones for use with the Far South Networks range of PBX products, the following vendors of IP phones are supported: Yearlink, Snom, Polycom, and Essene. In particular, Yearlink and Far South Networks have a special relationship in that they are product technology partners. Far South Networks conducts regular interoperability testing across the full Yearlink device range on a regular basis. With full auto provisioning support of the Yearlink phone by the Far South Networks PBX, the Yearlink phone becomes a fully managed device under central configuration controlled by the PBX. Even software updates to the Yearlink phone are managed centrally via the PBX. Auto provisioning is used to lock all the features and functionality to the Far South Networks PBX. The PBX is also then able to fully access all the available features of the IP phone, such as phone book, PIN codes, and event status such as message waiting. In this way, Far South Networks business partners are able to deliver a consistent user experience to their customers. Recommended entry-level Yearlink IP phone models are T21 and T23G, and the T41 and T42 models. These Yearlink models offer an intuitive, informative LCD screen, multiple SIP lines which may be provisioned to multiple SIP accounts, a range of programmable keys, Power over Ethernet or PoE, which enables the phone to receive power over the Ethernet Cat5 or Cat6 cable, typically via a PoE-enabled Ethernet switch. In addition, a virtual LAN or VLAN may be utilized, which allows voice traffic to be partitioned and managed separately from other data traffic, for example, email and internet browsing, which may be sharing the same network cable. Finally, a virtual private network or VPN may be automatically set up between the Yearlink phone and the PBX, which establishes a secure encrypted link between the two endpoints. This is an essential security practice when connecting to IP phones at remote locations. Recommended executive range Yearlink IP phones include T38G, T46G, T48S, and T58V. These Yearlink models offer color, graphic LCD screen, multiple SIP lines which may be provisioned to multiple SIP accounts, an extensive range of programmable keys, including expansion panels for larger switchboard setups. Some of the more advanced units support touch screens with integrated camera and video support. All these devices support Power over Ethernet, VLAN, and VPN as standard. Yearlink offer three models of IP DEC solutions. These part numbers include the W52P, W53P, and W60P. The Yearlink IP DEC solution is ideally suited to the small to medium-sized business. While DEC repeater units may be installed, these Yearlink DEC models do not support dynamic handover between base stations. The specification brief for these IP DEC units include: the W52P supports 4 simultaneous calls to a maximum of 5 paired handsets, while the W53P and W60P supports 8 simultaneous calls to a maximum of 8 paired handsets. Both units support high-definition voice calling. These units also support the installation of multiple base stations on a single site, the advantage here being that no physical Cat5 cable needs installation. The Yearlink Expansion Panel EXP40 model can be installed with the Yearlink T46G and T48S handsets in order to build a switchboard operator phone solution. Up to 3 expansion panel modules may be installed with these Yearlink phones, where each expansion module provides a one-touch functionality via an LCD screen display. Each expansion panel supports 40 programmable keys for a total of 120 programmable keys per Yearlink IP phone. As these devices are auto-provisioned by the Far South Networks PBX, where all programmable switchboard function keys are configured centrally via the PBX graphical user interface. When conference facilities are required, the Far South Networks PBX range support 2 Yearlink IP conference phone models, namely the CP860 and the CP960S. The CP860 supports the following specifications: an LCD display, a 3 microarray 360-degree voice pickup with a 10-foot range, 5-way conference call with acoustic echo cancelling and noise suppression. The CP960S supports the following specifications: 5-inch touchscreen, 3 microarray 360 degrees voice pickup with a 20-foot range, 5-way conference call with echo cancelling and noise suppression. Thank you for attending Module 5. Please proceed to Module 6.